In our demonstration list, the first task is to list the database. So let's do that. The first step is to add the autoload.php of Composer. In my machine, it is located under C user Sorgo vendor. Sorgo is a username. So let me copy this path. The next step is to use the manager. For manager, it's very easy. You just need to import this one or use this package driver. So under this, we can get the manager class. Manager is used for connection. New manager. Here we have to give the server URL. We have a MongoDB instance running in port number 27017. Now manager is done. The next step is to issue a command. To check the API for this command, you can search for MongoDB driver command. php.net reference will be listed. So here you can see the examples and the syntax for command. So it's an array. Here we'll be giving the MongoDB command. To learn about MongoDB commands, just Google for MongoDB commands. Here 4 sets of commands are given. We are going to see about listing databases. So list databases is the command we are going to use here. That's done. The next step is to execute the command. For this, we are going to use the execute command method in the manager. Execute command. The first parameter is the database name. So that's admin database. The second parameter is a command. Let's see about the syntax of this. This is the API for execute command method, which is going to return a cursor. It's going to take 2 parameters, that's a string and then a command. String will have the database name. It's going to return a cursor. Let's dump this cursor to see what it has. I have copied the result to a separate file. we have to extract this one for each cursor as a result, and again one more for each. This is for result. We have databases. Let me cross check that. Yes. As DB name. It's going to be DB name. Come on. So let me comment this one out and do a code formatting. On running this, we must see the databases names. Class SDD class cannot be converted to a. I need to check this output here. Yeah, this is name. I missed it. Let me add this one. Now we must get the database names listed. Yes, these are the 4 databases currently available in the local server. Let us cross check the same: DB demo, demo local, and PHP MongoDB. So all 4 are there. This is how to list the available databases. Let me recall what I have done. In the first step, I have included the autoload.php. In the step 2, I have used manager and command class under MongoDB driver package. Using manager, I have connected to the local host. And in the command, I have issued list databases command. For the command syntax, please do Google for MongoDB commands. It will take you to the reference of all the commands, where the commands are grouped into 4 separate sections. Then I have called the execute method in manager to execute this command against the admin database, and then I have just looped through the cursor to get the database names. Next one in our demonstration is to list the collection contents and then to create a new collection. So we'll be doing these 2 together: list collection contents and then to create a new collection. Let me create a new PHP file for that. The steps are going to be same. Contents. To list the collection contents, let me take the code part from here. So we have manager. Now I'm going to use the database class, which is going to be under use MongoDB database. It's going to be mgmr mngr, comma, the database name. Let me get the database name. It's db_demo. Now we have the database. The next step is to have the collection. So $db, the collection name is call user details. I'm going to do a find in this collection. Currently without any queries, so it's going to list us all the elements in that particular collection, which is in turn is going to return a cursor. We got the cursor, then for each $curse as $doc. That's going to be there. Let me get the fields. That's username I'm going to list here. So that's it. You must get the usernames. Yeah, I need to run this one. We got the username Bob. This is the only one document in this collection. If you want to change a collection, you just need to give the collection name. It's user ID here. I just changed the collection name. To list a collection under a different database, you just need to give the database name over here. For instance, demo is the database name. The collection name is tbl_login. And the field name is user ID. So instead of username, I'll be giving user ID. The results are matching. Let us recall the steps what we have done for listing the collection contents. We use the manager class to connect to the server, database class to select the database, and then we have selected the particular collection in the database instance. And finally, we have used the find method to list all the contents of the collection. So it's pretty simple. Let us move to the next one in our list, that is to create a new collection. Let me do it here itself. This is for listing collection contents. I'm going to create a new database, that is demo_php db. Under this database, I'm going to create a collection. Create collection. The collection name is going to be products. Let me do a var dump of this. It's a simple one-step procedure where we have connected to a database which is not existing, and then we have called the create collection. Now let me run this one. It's okay, it's created. Let me check in Mongo Booster. Yes, database is created, and then it has a products empty collection.